It was literally the comments and the feedback, and the engineers go, "What's this?" They say, "This is the stuff people want instead of bunks." Well, which ones do you want us to do? And Ember went, "All of them. Bye." You know, and the missile was born. That's it.
Hey everyone, welcome to RVing Unfiltered with Joe. This is a new series where I sit down with people who are shaping the RV world. This is content creators, industry insiders, and voices behind the scenes. Today I'm talking with the well-known and widely respected Josh the RV Nerd. We'll be talking about buyer behavior and how feedback from influencers like Josh makes it back directly to the manufacturers. More episodes are coming, including the next one with Jason Epperson from RV Miles, so make sure you stay tuned to this channel, and I hope this video earns your subscription. If so, click the subscribe button below. Enjoy the conversation.